Next is question number 6. Describe how the two figures at the right are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface area? This is the figure of question number 6. Here cylinder is given and here cube is given. So firstly, what is the similarity between both the figures? Both the figures have same height as 7 cm. And what is the difference between these two? One figure is cylinder and other is cube. That is the difference between the both. Now we have to find the lateral surface area of both the figures. Diameter of cylinder is 7 cm given hai, and radius becomes diameter by 2, 7 by 2. Height of cylinder is 7 cm and lateral surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. 2, what is the value of the pi? 22 by 7 into R is 7 by 2, height is 7. When you solve it, you will get 22 into 7 means 154 centimeter square. That is the lateral surface area of the cylinder. Now, edge of cube is 7 centimeter and lateral surface area of the cube is 4a square, means 4 edge square. Now, 4 into 7 square. 7 square is equal to 49. 49 into 4, 196 centimeter square. As 196 centimeter square is greater than 154 centimeter square, so or therefore cube box has larger lateral surface area. That is the answer. Next is question number 7. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? अब देखो सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक फॉर्म करने के लिए कितनी शीट यूज हुई है मेटल की. दैट मीन्स टोटल सरफेस एरिया फाइंड करना है आपने. रेडियस इक्वल टू 7 मीटर, हाइट इक्वल टू 3 मीटर. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड टोटल सरफेस एरिया? 2 पाई आर आर प्लस एच. 2 इंटू 22 बाई 7 इंटू 7, 7 प्लस 3. पहले ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करोगे. 7 प्लस 3 कितना बना? 10. 7 के साथ 7 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. यू विल गेट 440 मीटर स्क्वायर. Therefore 440 meter square sheet of metal is required. That is the answer. Question number 8. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeter square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. अब देखो जो होलो सिलेंडर है उसका लेटरल सरफेस एरिया दिया गया है, उसको कट करके एक रेक्टेंगुलर शीट बनाई गई है जिसकी विड्थ गिवन है. अलोंग इट्स हाइट कट किया गया इसको. ठीक है, होलो सिलेंडर है जो सिलेंडर की हाइट के अकॉर्डिंग कट किया गया है और रेक्टेंगुलर शीट जो बनी उसकी विड्थ 33 सेंटीमीटर. उसका पेरीमीटर पता करना है. A hollow cylinder is cut along its height to form a rectangular sheet. So area of cylinder equal to area of rectangular sheet. क्योंकि area तो same ही रहेगा ना, it will not change. Then 4224 centimeter square equal to length into breadth. Now breadth is given to be 33 centimeters. So we will find length from here. Length equal to 4224 by 33. When you divide, you will get 128 centimeter. Thus, the length of rectangular sheet equal to 128 centimeter. Now, perimeter of rectangular sheet 2 into L plus B. 2 into 128 plus 33 becomes 166 into 2. 322 centimeter is the answer. Next is question number 9. A road roller takes 7 150 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of a road roller is 84 centimeter and length is 1 meter. In one revolution, the roller will cover an area equal to its lateral surface area. जब एक रेवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट करेगा ना रोलर तो कितना एरिया कवर करेगा जितना उसका लेटरल सरफेस एरिया है. रेडियस ऑफ रोड रोलर 42 सेंटीमीटर है. फर्स्टली वी विल चेंज इट इनटू मीटर. 42 by 100 मीटर मीन्स 0.42 मीटर और यू कैन टेक एज 42 by 100. इन वन रेवोल्यूशन एरिया ऑफ रोड कवर 2 pi RH 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 by 100 into 1 meter. When you solve it, you will get 264 by 100 meter square, means 2.64 meter square. Clear? In 750 revolution, area of road covered 2.64 meter square into 750. When you multiply, you will get 1980 meter square. That is the answer. Next is question number 10. A company packages its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base has a diameter of 14 centimeter, height is 20 centimeter. Company places a label around the surface of the container as shown in the figure. If the label is placed 2 centimeter from top and bottom, what is the area of the label? नाउ हाइट ऑफ द लेबल इज देखो 20 सेंटीमीटर कंप्लीटली जो कंटेनर है उसकी हाइट है. अब 2 सेंटीमीटर बॉटम से और 2 सेंटीमीटर टॉप से लेस होगी तभी किसकी हाइट बनेगी, लेबल की बनेगी. दैट मीन्स 20 सेंटीमीटर माइनस 2 सेंटीमीटर माइनस 2 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 16 सेंटीमीटर. डायमीटर ऑफ लेबल 14 सेंटीमीटर. रेडियस डायमीटर बाय 2 मीन्स 7 सेंटीमीटर. So radius is equals to 7 centimeter. Now label is in the form of cylinder having its height as 16 centimeter and radius as 7 centimeter. So area of label का क्या फॉर्मूला लगेगा क्योंकि वो सिलेंड्रिकल शेप का है 2 pi RH. 2 into pi की वैल्यू क्या है 22 by 7 into radius is 7 and height is 16. When you solve it you will get 7 will be cancelled with this 7. You will get 2 into 22 into 16 that is equal to 704 centimeter square. That is the answer. कर्व सरफेस एरिया क्यों लगा? क्योंकि जब लेबल जो है वो सिलेंडरिकल शेप का है तो होलो है वो. ठीक है, दैट इज वाई वी आर यूजिंग लेटरल सरफेस एरिया. क्लियर?